Big news is here for Social Security beneficiaries, SSDI recipients, SSI beneficiaries, and veterans. The long-awaited double payments are finally becoming a reality, and amounts as high as $1,900 and $2,400 are set to be disbursed. This announcement is a game-changer for millions of Americans who rely on these benefits to cover essential expenses. In this video, we'll unpack everything you need to know about these payments, how they work, who qualifies, when you can expect them, and what this means for your financial future. Stay tuned for all the details and make sure you're prepared to take full advantage of this opportunity. Let's start by understanding what's happening. Over the past few months, discussions about additional financial support for beneficiaries have been gaining traction. Rising inflation, increasing healthcare costs, and the overall cost of living have put significant pressure on those relying on Social Security benefits, SSI, SSDI, and veteran assistance. This latest development is a response to that financial strain. The government's decision to authorize double payments is aimed at providing immediate relief to the most vulnerable populations. This means that eligible individuals will see two payments instead of one in the upcoming disbursement cycle, giving them the extra financial cushion they desperately need. Now, let's talk about the numbers $19 and $2,400. These figures represent the amounts eligible beneficiaries can expect to receive depending on their specific benefit program. For example, individuals receiving Social Security disability insurance might see a payment of up to $19. Meanwhile, supplemental security income beneficiaries could receive $2,400, and veterans might also be eligible for this higher amount depending on their service record and current financial situation. The exact amount you receive will depend on your enrollment status, income level, and other eligibility criteria. These additional payments are meant to help cover rising expenses, from medical bills to everyday essentials like groceries and utility bills. For many people, the question is, who qualifies for these double payments? The eligibility criteria are fairly straightforward. To qualify, you must already be enrolled in one of the following programs: Social Security disability insurance, supplemental security income, or a veterans benefits program. These programs are designed to provide financial support to individuals who are unable to work due to disability, age, or other qualifying factors. If you're already receiving monthly payments from one of these programs, you're likely eligible for the double payments. However, it's always a good idea to confirm your status. You can do this by logging into your Social Security or Veterans Affairs portal or contacting their customer service teams directly. The timeline for these payments is another critical detail. According to the latest updates, the double payments are expected to begin rolling out within the next disbursement cycle. This means that eligible recipients should start seeing the additional funds in their accounts or mailboxes as early as this month. For those relying on direct deposit, the payments will likely arrive faster than for those who receive checks via mail. It's crucial to monitor your account closely during this time to ensure you receive the funds without any issues. If you don't see the payment within the expected time frame, don't panic. Delays can happen, especially with mail delivery. Be patient and reach out to the appropriate agencies if you have concerns. Now, let's address what this means for your financial situation. Double payments can be a significant lifeline for beneficiaries struggling to make ends meet. With inflation driving up the cost of basic necessities, having an extra $1,900 or $2,400 can make a world of difference. This additional money could help cover overdue bills, pay for unexpected medical expenses, or even provide a little breathing room for savings. For veterans, this could mean better access to healthcare services or the ability to afford specialized care that might have been out of reach before. For SSI and SSDI recipients, it could mean not having to choose between buying groceries and paying rent. The impact of these payments cannot be overstated. While these double payments are undoubtedly a positive development, it's essential to be aware of potential scams and misinformation. Whenever there's news of financial assistance, scammers often try to take advantage of unsuspecting beneficiaries. Be cautious of unsolicited calls, emails, or messages claiming to offer assistance in obtaining your double payment. Remember, these payments are automatic for eligible individuals. You do not need to apply or provide any additional information to receive them. If someone asks for your Social Security number, bank account details, or any other personal information, it's a red flag. Always verify information through official government channels and avoid sharing sensitive details with anyone. For those wondering what steps they should take next, The answer is simple: stay informed and be prepared. Make sure your contact and payment information with Social Security or Veterans Affairs is up to date. This will help ensure there are no delays in receiving your payments. If you're unsure about your eligibility or have questions about the process, don't hesitate to reach out to the appropriate agencies. They can provide you with accurate information and address any concerns you might have. Additionally, keep an eye on official announcements and updates regarding the disbursement schedule. Being proactive can help you avoid unnecessary stress and ensure you receive your funds without any complications. Another important consideration is how to make the most of these additional funds. Financial planning is crucial, especially when dealing with fixed or limited incomes. Consider prioritizing essential expenses like housing, utilities, and healthcare. If you have outstanding debts, this might be a good opportunity to pay them down. Alternatively, you could use the funds to create an emergency savings cushion, giving you peace of mind for unexpected expenses in the future. For those who feel financially stable, this might even be an opportunity to invest in personal development or leisure activities that improve your quality of life. Whatever your financial goals, these double payments can serve as a valuable resource to help you achieve them. In addition to providing financial relief, these payments also have broader economic implications. By injecting additional funds into the hands of beneficiaries, the government aims to stimulate local economies. When individuals have more disposable income, they tend to spend more on goods and services, which can help support businesses and create jobs. This ripple effect benefits not just the recipients of the payments but also the communities in which they live. It's a reminder of how interconnected financial support programs and economic health truly are. However, it's also important to consider the sustainability of such initiatives. While double payments offer immediate relief, they are not a long-term solution to the challenges faced by beneficiaries. Policymakers must continue to explore ways to address systemic issues, such as rising healthcare costs and inadequate housing options. Comprehensive reforms are needed to ensure that programs like Social Security, SSDI, and SSI remain viable and effective for future generations. Advocacy and engagement from the public can play a crucial role in driving these changes. By staying informed and voicing your concerns, you can help shape policies that reflect the needs of beneficiaries. For veterans, this development is particularly significant. Many veterans face unique challenges, including service-related injuries, mental health issues, and difficulties transitioning to civilian life. The additional financial support provided by these double payments can help address some of these challenges, offering a sense of stability and security. It's also an opportunity to acknowledge the sacrifices made by those who have served the country. Programs that prioritize the well-being of veterans are a vital part of honoring their contributions and ensuring they have access to the resources they need. Looking ahead, it's worth considering how this initiative could influence future policy decisions. If the double payment program proves successful in alleviating financial stress for beneficiaries, it could pave the way for similar measures in the future. Policymakers may explore other ways to enhance benefits or provide targeted relief to specific groups. This could include adjustments to benefit calculations, expanded eligibility criteria, or additional one-time payments during times of economic hardship. The success of such programs depends on careful planning, transparent communication, and ongoing evaluation of their impact. Finally, let's discuss how you can stay engaged and informed about developments like this. In today's fast-paced information landscape, it's easy to miss important updates or fall victim to misinformation. Make it a habit to check official government websites, subscribe to newsletters from trusted organizations, and follow reputable news sources. Social media can also be a valuable tool for staying informed, but be cautious about the accuracy of the information you encounter. Always verify details before taking action or sharing them with others. In conclusion, the announcement of double payments for SSDI, SSI, and veteran beneficiaries is a much-needed relief in these challenging times. With amounts ranging from $19 to $2,000, these payments have the potential to make a significant difference in the lives of millions of Americans. The key is to stay informed, be vigilant against scams, and make thoughtful decisions about how to use this additional financial support. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with friends and family who might also benefit from this update. And as always, subscribe to this channel for more timely updates and tips to help you navigate your benefits and financial planning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.